You know, I think we just need to have a shot of bourbon. Try that. Just take a sip and tell me what you think.
Asshole.
Okay. Just promising. If I can find it. It's a base to a damn fan. You gotta be kidding me with this stuff, man. Really? You must be doing that for a living. Yeah, I think somebody got a hair business. Think there's anything else in there. Alrighty. Yeah, a pack of Lucky Strikes in there. What my grandma used to smoke. Lucky Strikes. You know, she was meaner than a damn rattlesnake. I'm not saying Lucky Strikes have anything to do with that. Just making the observation. But I may not. What is that? I don't think I can get that out of there. Hey. What the hell that thing is? Now I do. It's Phoebe. And this is not opened. I'd like to have it. If I could lift it out. I just don't know. That's gonna be possible. I don't think I can. Nah, I'll do that later. Other than that, if I only had a brain. shit. Outstanding, man. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Thank you. Really. And this over. Okay. Really, your locking is the issue. Well, let's just set it up there for the time being. Close. What are you doing, buddy? Good looking dog. That looks like a hound dog. Don't jump out. Well, scrap for cash. Family, good morning. So, last night was successful in part because I now have 2 trucks that I think I can combine into one and make a fairly decent scrap run, which is what my plan is. My plan is to relocate maybe the stuff that's on this truck to Old Red and get it emptied, because Old Red is needing some TLC evaluation at the shop. With that truck empty, that'll be a lot easier to get that done. So that's my plan. I was able to pick up a few things yesterday and a lot more things after dark. So there's some video of getting stuff, and then there's not going to be video of getting stuff, but there's going to be video of unloading the booty, so you'll be able to see that. We'll try to get that done today. Just and maybe get some stuff out behind the barn, just to get a load ready for Friday. So we got a few things going on, but we'll see what we can do. But as of right now, it'll be getting back to the barn and get this truck reorganized, and then take it to the scrapyard and see what we get. So I'll video some of that when we get back, and we'll go from there. Have a wonderful morning, and I'll be back to you here soon. And remember, you can always shop smart, shop dumpster smart. Well, I don't know how that's gonna work out. Well, let's get it in manageable numbers. Okay, so I'm gonna need a bucket. aluminum. Now, how hard is this going to be? Well, it pins off. Will it peel all the way off, though? Is the question. Well, you know what I need to do. Walk it, and then you're left with that. I'm a trained professional. Do not try this at home. All right. See what we got here. All right. That's working. On over here. Mark. Rope me. Okay, now we're cooking. So, this. There we go. Circuit. Well, the word of today, I believe, is processing. That's a bucket of the aluminum wires that I cut up. Some aluminum that we picked up yesterday in a bucket. I've got some pieces of brass there. A couple big pieces of brass come out of that bucket. I've got some circuit boards. I've got a bucket of stainless brake lines. Some copper that we picked up yesterday, and a little bit of wire, not a whole lot, just a little bit, just enough to try to make this a complete run. And then, time permitting, when I get back, I've got just a few things on semi-Hagar, which I may run to the back and just throw some crap on there and dump it before they close. Got done with the still have a little bit of that aluminum wire. I just wanted to see what that would if that was worthwhile, but that's not in the bucket by itself. That's with a lot of weighted aluminum pieces on top of it, so not really going to have a true dollar amount, but seems to me like that electrician always has that type of wire out, so maybe something I'm gonna have to do in the future, and just do it the way I did it today, and you'll see some video, you saw some video of that. So I'm on my way to the scrapyard. For those that celebrate it, happy Valentine's Day. Well, I'm getting ready to make the turn into the scrapyard. It has been a day. There's Bob. Hello, Bob. How you doing? Yeah, I probably gotta put that stuff back there for all intents and purposes. Up there. I believe that's a bunch of.
How you doing?
What's up, Jeff? By me?
Alright. Take these out, that's what gets you money.
These will?
Yeah.
That would take him out then.
Yeah, that'll be MLC.
Same thing as that.
That can go in.
Outstanding. Thank you. Thank you. Really?
Yeah, he texted me about 4:30 this morning and said that he'd been coughing all night and stuff. He was going to go to the doctor. Said depending on this morning, he said depending on what the doctor said, if he'd be in or not.
That ain't good. That's it. Well, I hope he gets feeling better.
Yeah,
He's sick in his chest, or
he said that he was coughing all night, that he couldn't get no sleep, and then he felt a little hot. So I know.
Man, you never know.
My grandkids have got like a strep thing going on.
Yeah, mine do too.
That might be something.
All right, brother.
All
Hey,
right.
thanks, guys. See you, Bob. Well, Tyler, if you watch this, hope you get to feeling better. It sucks to be sick. Trust me, I know. Thanks, Chuck. Appreciate you. Too drunk at the bar. Can't stand up. Got one shoe on, one shoe off, and drunker than hell. So there you go. Drunk at the VFW Hall. Now, let's go to the back by the barn, see what I can add to this load. Got good neighbors. They bring me their cans. To the scrapyard for one more run. The last run. Like I said, it's been eventful. I've got some, the neighbor was helpful once again, and dropped off several trash bags full of aluminum cans. So I'm gonna drop those off and then dump this load, and then I'm done. We'll see how it goes. I believe that is my bed frame. I don't know.
Doing your home.
Yeah.
He always got a couple that you never want to leave the bag.
Man. Does people actually drop these off and want to keep the bags?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You know, let's go ahead and do the weigh and pays on these two loads. We're going to go from last to first, so that's the one I just dropped off. The only thing I had on this one was some sheet, some unclean sheet, and those 6 bags of aluminum cans. Had 39 pounds at 44 cents a pound, paid $17.16 from my neighbor dropping that stuff off. 500 pounds exactly of unclean sheet. And I'm getting 8 cents a pound, so that was $40 for $57.16. So the first load I brought in had all that non-ferrous stuff I took inside. So I had 3 pounds of the PC boards at $1.35 a pound, paid $4.05. Those 2 brass tops for the bed and those 2 pieces of brass I found in that 5-gallon bucket that we picked up, we had 2 pounds of that for $2.90. That big piece of copper that we took out of the Herbie, that was 3 pounds, paid $7.50. I had big metal pieces, metal chunks of aluminum in that 5-gallon bucket as well. And he had me separate that from the stuff that I stripped because he said it paid more. So, which is good, because then I'm going to be able to see the difference. But all that stripping and processing I did, that went through a sheet aluminum, 14 pounds at 42 cents a pound, paid $5.88. Just those chunks that I took out of that bucket, they were 12 pounds, they paid $5.40, damn near the exact same total. Had 540 pounds again of unclean sheet for $43.20. The stainless, I had 4 pounds of it, pays 34 cents a pound, $1.36. And then I only had 7 pounds of number 2 wire at 90 cents a pound for $6.30, for a grand total of 76. And the other one was 57. So we'll call that about $130, which is nothing to shake a stick at, and it's a whole lot better than a sharp stick in the eye. So I've got empty trucks. Well, see if they have anything. Yeah. Stove, if it'll stay together. Trash. You all know it. Shop smart, shop dumpster smart. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Scrap for Cash is out.
Asshole.